Halloween and fall have come to Adventure Academy. Let's go ahead and check things out here and go over what there is to do here in Adventure Academy, which is just an awesome learning tool. It is a paid program, and it functions differently than other games that are geared towards learning. This is an exploratory game, so there is not a direct straight line of content that your child is going to be exploring, but this is just an awesome game. We're going to take a look a little bit at some of the stuff here today. Let me know if you would like to have a longer walkthrough. Also, I would like to say that for this, if Adventure Academy, I would love to do a full walkthrough of this game. If you feel like this is not something you want me to be doing, please just let me know. I will gladly go ahead and comply with what you are liking. So here we have the gem shop, which I have 3,500 gems, and there are some Halloween themed stuff. There's some cool tails that you can get for yourself. There's the ice dragon tail, fire dragon tail. Now the dragons you use during the coding part of the game. Here is jack-o'-lantern, which is a recipe. I'm going to buy all of these. Let's buy that. I don't know if I'll be able to make them today or not. We have to go to the craftsmanship in order to do this. Here are these crazy Halloween candy pants. Let's go ahead and pick these up as well. And then also the Halloween candy skirt. Absolutely adorable. I don't know how long these items are going to be here in shop or not. And also the shirt as well. Let's get this. Yes. Still have 2,500 gems, which is awesome, and the Halloween candy crown. Let's go ahead and buy this. And then we have some animations as well. We have the zombie walk. Oh no. Let's pick that up. We have the gobbler. Going crazy with that. The zombie shuffle brains. Very cool. Okay, and then we have some other stuff. These robes of the moon, those are cool. All of the rest of this stuff, we have a pixel sword if you are interested in that as well. This is the gem shop right here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our map though and check out some of the other items here in... Let's teleport on over there and take a peek and see what we have. All right, so most of these stores do have some Halloween items and some fall-themed items as well. There's the Grand Market. And we're going to head on over this way, though, and pick up some outfits. I believe we're heading down here. So we're not going to go in every single store. We're just going to come on over here and check out Pure Illuminations. And then we will move on as well. The chat, you are able to go ahead and chat. It's open. There are some filters and things like that. But you're able to communicate and stuff with others as you play, as you grow, as you learn. There are really neat videos that explain the concepts and then fun mini games to practice. How can I help you today? We are really enjoying this. Okay, so we have the, here is the spider web wall decor. I'm going to go ahead and buy this once I start to set up my house. And the shops change, and it's not always the same things in every shop. Sci-fi monster action figure. I think I'm going to pick that up right now. That's cool. Yep, let's buy that. Cuckoo clock. And... all right, we've got some plushies here. There's a lot of really cool toys, a lot of very cool, fun items to go ahead and get in order to decorate. So this is sort of a whole education video game experience with a lot of really fun mini games and other things like that, and ways that you can interact socially with others. My daughter is really enjoying it. I'm enjoying it as well.
Remember, home is where the heart is.
And just the amount of information and deeper content she gets from this has been very rewarding. So the amount of facts she just collects has been really cool. All right, we're going to come on into this store here as well. And let's see what other items we can get from Marvelous Menagerie.
Welcome to the mystical, the magical, the marvelous menagerie.
Thank you. All right, so we have a Halloween pet crystal, which we need 3,500 crystals for. I will not be able to pick this up, but it says you need to buy more gems to buy this item. I might be able to get it today after today's work, which we are going to come on over here. There's certain daily tasks and then also quests. Quests are longer and explore the game deeper. The missions are the daily tasks, so check in for the day will give us 200 gems. Awesome. So at the end of today, I should be able to go ahead and pick up one of those, train 2 pets, and telepets is really fun. And then learning activities in the kiosk. I need to do 2 different learning activities. And then 2 stars in Code Island. Code Island is the coding part of the game. And then play 1 game in Word Trace, which is going to be my ELA content. And then talk to Scooter. Scooter is going to tell me what sort of game I should play. Yesterday it was a river race, a rafting race. So, all right, let's go on over here. We're going to get into the outfits now, I believe. This is the clothespin. And let me change my camera a little bit. There we go. All right. So here are going to be the Halloween outfits. There are different areas. We are going to go to the other not
I have the latest in today's fashions.
All right, let's take a look and see what we have. Ooh, mummy top. So I have to be level 15 for the mummy top, so I won't be able to get that. But I can go... Pumpkin outfit. Oh, the skeleton onesie. This is... I love skeleton onesies. Let's go ahead and pick that up. That is cool. The burglar costume, in case I want to be a burglar for Halloween. We have the pumpkin outfit as well. How cool. All right, and then let's go ahead and get the witch dress as well. That's what Fluffy Plays is wearing right now. And we've got some witch shoes as well. Yep, we'll buy that. So I've got plenty of gold for these items, so quite excited. All right, let's buy this as well, the vampire shirts. All right, so we have all of this stuff. I have to be level 15 in order to get the mummy outfit, so I think I am going to have to grind a little bit, make sure I get that great learning in. You can be a doctor, trench coat, pumpkin hat is right here, so let's make sure we get that. Yes. And make sure we're getting all of this stuff. This is really cool. Mist Ranger outfit, Hawaiian shirt. We've got a futuristic space pilot suit. That is cool. And let's see what else we have here. Cosmic hero outfit. And then this is getting into stuff that's a little too high level for me. All right, so many cool things to pick. I think I am going to have to pick up this golden thing. This, let's go ahead and buy this. All right, yep, let's buy. All right, so this is the clothing store.
Have a stylish day.
Thank you. I hope you have a stylish day as well. And let's make our way over to here, which is Amelia's Armoire, I believe, is the name of this store. And this is going to have some more Halloween outfits as well. So we'll go ahead and pick up these items. Let me know if you have been playing.
No outfit is complete
Adventure
without
Academy.
a few accessories.
It's for students 8 to 13 years old. Okay, so I have to be level 15 for these. The vampire cape I can pick up, though. Let's buy that. And, ooh, vampire wig. Let's buy that. And I'm going to equip it as well. And vampire cane. We'll buy this. And we'll equip it as well. Vampire medallion. Let's buy this. And equip it as well. All right, so if you haven't noticed, ooh, pumpkin head. That's cool. Yes, let's buy that. We have the witch hat. Super awesome. And then the Frankenstein monster mask. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, we want to get all of this Halloween stuff while we can. So we're not going to have very much gold left over, but that is a-okay. Jack-o'-lantern bucket. Let's equip that as well. I don't think the vampire is going to have something else to hold. And then here we have the chocolate hats, the lei necklaces, googly eyes headband. I think a lot of this stuff is probably here. Burglar costume mask. Let's go ahead and buy that. Yes. And then a bowler hat would probably work pretty well with a burglar, possibly. And so there's a money bag as well. So many cool things to purchase and buy here. The costume. Oh, and here we have the turkey hat. So we're all ready for Thanksgiving. That is cool. Let me know what you think of this game. Let me know if you would like for me to go ahead and show off more content here in...
Have a lovely day.
Thank you, you too. In Adventure Academy, we are absolutely loving it in my family. Now remember, it's not a strict curriculum. It's an exploratory learning, and I think that makes it so much more enjoyable when you are after school, learning a little bit more, focusing on your interests. It's just really, really cool. All right, let's check the backpack just to get this full outfit on here. And so let's go for tops here. Put on our vampire shirts. And let's see if we have any vampire bottoms. I don't think we have vampire bottoms. Let's go and just keep this on. I'll take a look for vampire bottoms later. And we only have one shoe, so that is awesome. But we do have these where we can go ahead and do our zombie walk. Let's get the shortcut here. All right. And... oh no! That is our zombie walk. How cool, how cool, how cool. Ugh. So, yeah, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. We will be coming back here in Adventure Academy. It is an absolutely amazing learning experience and learning program. It covers grades 8 to 13. Let me know if you are in it. If you play it a couple times a week or a couple times a month, I feel like it is definitely well worth the money. It takes education and it makes it a little bit more open, a little bit more enjoyable, a little bit more fun. Thank you very much. I will see you guys back here later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.